In today's show, the crypto market cap hits a new all-time high, surpassing 1.4 trillion, as well as Google stock just days after Tesla announced its $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, Max Keiser says parabolic Bitcoin rally is saving investors from fiat money bonfire. That's right, in a new interview with Cambridge House International, Max says he believes an avalanche of fiat currency primed to enter the financial system in the US and abroad will cause unavoidable damage to the global economy. I'll be breaking down the highlights from this exclusive interview for you right here in today's show. And regarding the Redditors, Max tweeted, "You guys can take Bitcoin up to $220,000 right now. For starters, if you really want to claw back the billions Wall Street and DC stole from you, buy Bitcoin till your hands bleed. It's unwhattable money." We'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also breaking news, Chainlink just hits a new all-time high. Analysts are predicting 150% parabolic move may be next. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin Chartists sees price hitting $70,000 after Tesla crypto purchase. That's right, we're talking about big Cheds, an independent crypto analyst. He sees Bitcoin rising by at least 70% in the coming sessions. I'll be breaking down his analysis here for you in today's show, and he's quoted sharing right here. Based on this theory, the Bitcoin price should hit about $70,000 before cooling off sometime in the next 3 to 4 weeks. And we have another analyst who goes by the name Trading Shot predicting a $75,000 Bitcoin price. He shares right here, even the 75,500 target of a potential 98% surge would be quite realistic within a 2-month time frame. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the major altcoins are currently pumping and in the green. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, just like this. And today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work and earn up to an 8.6% annual percentage yield with the BlockFi interest account by getting started today and clicking my link in the show notes right down below the video. In the description, you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. All you got to do is click that link and then click on this yellow button which says sign up. It'll redirect you here, and you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated so you can take advantage of this special promo. Also, I want to point out that their Bitcoin annual percentage yield is currently paying out 6%, not too shabby, as well as USDT paying out 9.3%. Now, my favorite part about BlockFi, besides the fact it's easy to use and that there's no hidden fees, is that they're backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss Capital, Fidelity, Morgan Creek, and Coinbase. Start putting your crypto to work today. Click that link right down below and get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. What are you waiting for? Let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to discuss, so let's dive right in, shall we? The crypto markets have hit a significant milestone shortly after Tesla officially announced their investment into Bitcoin, investing $1.5 billion into the king of all crypto. As I covered in great detail in yesterday's episode, for the first time in history, the crypto market has surpassed Alphabet's Goog and Google in terms of market capitalization. On February 10th, which is today, the total crypto market cap finally smashed $1.413 trillion, overtaking the market cap levels of Google Class A and Class C shares, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, the crypto market cap has been gaining momentum amid an ongoing crypto rally this year, breaking the $1 trillion mark in early January, and the total crypto market cap previously surpassed the market cap level of Tesla, which amounts to around $815 billion at this time. And soon after the crypto markets broke Tesla's market cap, the company made a massive announcement on February 8th, reporting a $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin to the United States SEC. Crypto's recent pump now puts the market behind Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple in terms of market cap, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, ahead of the record-breaking crypto market cap, Bitcoin and Ethereum just hit new all-time highs, with Bitcoin surpassing $48,000 and Ethereum surpassing $1,800. Now, before I break down our next story of the day and we discuss Max Keiser says parabolic Bitcoin rally is saving investors from fiat money bonfire, and before I break down the latest of what's going on with Chainlink and a potential 150% parabolic move right on the cusp, as well as breaking down some very bullish Bitcoin charts suggesting a $70,000 and $75,000 Bitcoin price. First, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We're still above 45,000 and looking strong as ever. We have Ethereum retracing a little as well, currently trading just above $1,700. We have Cardano now trading at 76 cents. We had BNB up a whopping 25%, trading at $115. Now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? The Wall Street veteran and Bitcoin firebrand Max Keiser, shout out to Max and Stacy of the Keiser Report and Orange Pill Pod, says Bitcoin is rescuing investors from the destruction of value due to the excess printing of money. That's right, money printer go brrr. In a new Cambridge House International interview, Keiser says he believes an avalanche of fiat currency primed to enter the financial system in the U.S. and abroad will cause unavoidable damage to the global economy. Now for the highlights right here from this interview, Max shares there's a Niagara Falls of cash that's coming into the system, and you're in a barrel and you're heading for the edge of the falls. You get to the point where we're now in America, where the barrel has now gone over the edge and it's now falling down Niagara Falls and it's going to head for the rocks. So the question is, what could stop the barrel from falling and hitting the rocks below? The answer isn't absolutely zero because, for example, a flash freeze might happen and freeze Niagara Falls and stop the barrel. A helicopter can come and you can extricate yourself from the barrel and you could avoid death. What is the probability of that? I would say it's not absolute zero, but it's close. Keiser says investors have one option to exit the collapsing monetary system and protect their wealth, and that's by jumping into Bitcoin. He shares, we've got Bitcoin, which is now on a parabolic move. People escaping the blazing fire that is the fiat money bonfire of nuts running the system. What is the probability of that changing and going in reverse? I would say it's not absolute zero, but you never know. It's a close to zero. I couldn't agree more. I'm betting against the system. I opted out of the matrix a very long time ago. That's why I'm long on the king of all crypto. Now, Max says Bitcoin is offering the highest potential for growth that he has witnessed throughout his 4-decade career on Wall Street. With Bitcoin, I say there is no top because when it comes to the dollar, there is no bottom. And also, you're going on 300 years of history. No fiat money has ever survived, right? They've all gone to zero or lost 99.9% of their purchasing power. I've never seen a more lopsided, one-sided bet in the 40 years that I've been involved in Wall Street, investing in technology, startups as a CEO, and I've done everything in this business you could possibly imagine. I've never seen a more lopsided upside bias than I have with Bitcoin. That's right, and I couldn't agree more. And checking out his most recent tweet referring to the Redditors, he tweeted, you guys can take Bitcoin up to $220,000 right now. For starters, if you really want to claw back the billions that Wall Street and DC stole from you, buy Bitcoin till your hands bleed. It's unwhattable money. That's right. And Max Keiser has a short-term target of $65,000 in play for Bitcoin, as well as his $220,000 year-end target. But he's telling these Redditors it could happen a lot sooner than later if they buy Bitcoin till your hands bleed. So there you have it. And before I break down the latest of what's going on with Chainlink, as well as I share with you some very bullish price predictions for Bitcoin hitting 70,000 or even 75,000 in the weeks ahead. But let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap. Before I started recording, we were just above 1.4 trillion, but right now we're currently just below it, as you can see right here, with 219 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance back on the rise at 62%. Now checking out the Bitcoin market cap sitting pretty at an all-time high of about $840 billion. I can't wait for Bitcoin to surpass the big T, the $1 trillion mark. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Avalanche up a whopping 51%, trading at $44, up 219% for the week. We have Matic Network up a whopping 47%, trading at 10 cents and up 171% for the week. Look at the gains of these alts. Holy moly. QTUM up 31%, trading at $6.18, and Hobby Token up about 30%, trading at $12.28. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, we had BitTorrent down 20%, trading at 0.001, but still up 156% for the week. We have Alpha Finance Lab down 17%, trading at $2. Elron down 16%, trading at $168, and the infamous Dogecoin down 12% for the day, but still up 112% for the week, trading at 6.9 cents. Doge also recently hit new all-time highs thanks to Elon Musk and is currently the 11th largest cryptocurrency in the world. And to think this was created as a joke. But hey, it is what it is. You got a lot of influencers pumping it right now with all these memes. Apparently, memes rule the cryptoverse. It is what it is. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? You could literally hear the Bitcoin hodlers cheering from the rooftop as the world's largest whale publicly entered the market this week. But as Bitcoin screamed towards $50,000, altcoin hodlers looked in horror as their portfolios began shrinking in terms of BTC. However, the Elon pump has possibly created a massive buying opportunity for many altcoins on the Bitcoin paired charts. One coin in particular is the one and only Chainlink, referred to as the missing link of the blockchain, which is an Oracle provider. It seems like only yesterday that Zeus Capital got wrecked short in Link as it pumped from 10 to 20 bucks, but this was back in August of 2020 when Bitcoin was trading at a lowly $10,000 in the last few weeks. Despite Link pushing to new all-time highs, the Twitterverse has been jokingly calling Link a stablecoin as it's been hovering around 25 bucks for what seems like forever. It was recently flipped by Doge on the market cap ratings. Not a good look for the Link Marines, who have been beaten by a meme for the time being. However, the trend is your friend, as they like to say. Checking out this chart right here, this is the 1 hour chart for Chainlink. You'd be blind not to see the solid uptrend Link has held since the beginning of 2021. Numbers, my friend, don't lie. It's all broken down right here. Right now, the mid-channel resistance on the Link/USD chart is sitting at around 29 bucks with an upside target of around $34. The all-time high at this time is roughly about between $28 and $29. We also have Uniswap, which just topped out after 100% retracement versus Bitcoin. As you can see right here on your screen, one of the recent success stories of 2021 is Uniswap, which has rallied from under $3 to now over $20 in just a matter of weeks. It's hard not to FOMO into coins that are tearing up the runway like this, and with many alts in price discovery, it's hard to know which coin to buy when looking at the USD pair chart. So which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. But we do see a pattern on the Bitcoin pair charts with a little help from the Fibonacci retracement tool to really see where the opportunity lies. And right now, Chainlink is screaming, buy. Just saying. As you can see right here, Link is currently on a fire sale. Moving over to the Link/BTC chart, as you can see on your screen right here, it's currently 154% away from its previous high in Bitcoin terms, hovering around 0.236. Now, Link is not alone on this chart. Many other coins are exhibiting the same structure against Bitcoin, and with each pump that Bitcoin has, the gap to the top gets higher and higher. And with Chainlink currently trading at around 27 bucks, this would put the price of Link at $70 just to begin its previous Bitcoin paired level, but that's assuming that Bitcoin stays around its current level. So there you have it. Do you feel Chainlink is likely to break out to $70? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down our final story of the day and we discuss the possibilities of Bitcoin hitting $70,000 or even $75,000 in the weeks ahead, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 690 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net or just click this link in the description. You can also visit my blog at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also follow me on all the major podcasting platforms from Spotify, where we are pumping, as well as Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is cryptonewsyes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day, shall we? Calls for a $70,000 Bitcoin price is picking momentum among technical market analysts as the crypto makes way into Tesla's balance sheets. That's right, Big Cheds, an independent crypto analyst who enjoys a massive following on Twitter, saw the Bitcoin/USD exchange rate rising by at least 70% in the coming sessions, he shared. Just an observation, he said, while citing a fractal-like relative strength indicator for his bullish analogy, adding that whenever the indicator enters into a power zone, it sends the Bitcoin prices higher, as you can see right here on this chart. Now check this out. The zone represents the overbought areas in the chart, and RSI reading above 70 shows Bitcoin in an exceeding valuation area that typically amounts to a sell-off. However, in the last two breakouts above 70, the crypto overstayed its welcome above 70, which led the spot price higher by 70 to 100%. Here's a quote from Big Sheds. Based on this theory, the Bitcoin price should hit about $70,000 before cooling off. I love those words. Sometime in the next 3 to 4 weeks. I love that even more. February is going to be a great epic month, fam, just saying. So let me know if you agree or disagree with this analysis that we can potentially hit $70,000 in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Now let's discuss Tesla speed ahead. The outlook appeared as Bitcoin established a new record high on Tuesday, hitting levels above about $48,000 for the first time in its 12-year lifetime. Traders flocked into the crypto market a day after Tesla announced it has purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin as alternative reserve assets to their cash holdings. In its filing with the SEC, Tesla said it plans to buy more Bitcoin in the future and maybe even enable its use as a medium of payment for its products and services. That was another major announcement. You will soon be able to use your Bitcoin to buy Tesla products. How cool. What is it going to take? 1 or 2 Bitcoin to buy a Tesla? Not too shabby. The announcement has spurred analysts to make aggressive bullish calls on Bitcoin. We have Mike McGlone, the senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence. He shared on Monday that Bitcoin's price would reach $50,000. Some think it could even cross $100,000 should rich corporate houses take cues from Tesla and buy Bitcoin. That appears to include Mitch Steves, an analyst at the Royal Bank of Canada, who anticipated Apple to become the next big buyer of the decentralized crypto, or even if it starts offering a crypto wallet or exchange service like PayPal did in October. As I broke down for you in yesterday's episode, rumors have it that Apple may be the next big player to join the crypto community. Now for the next bullish price prediction, this one coming from Trading Shot, who thinks Bitcoin will hit $75,000 in the weeks ahead. They cite a so-called LMACD bullish cross for their upside analogy, as you can see in this chart right here on your screen. Now check it out. Here's a quote. Even the $75,000 target of a potential 98% surge would be quite realistic within a 2-month time frame. So we're talking within the next 8 weeks, as it would hit the 2.5 Fibonacci extensions. Trading Shot explained with the graph I just shared. So let me know your thoughts surrounding the $70,000 and $75,000 bullish Bitcoin price prediction. Do you feel it's likely to occur within the next few weeks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. The crypto market cap hits $1.4 trillion, surpassing Google stock just days after Tesla announced its $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment. Also in today's episode, Max Keiser says parabolic Bitcoin rally is saving investors from fiat money bonfire. As I broke down the highlights from this new exclusive interview, Max also shared to the Redditors, you guys can take Bitcoin up to $220,000 right now for starters. If you really want to claw back the billions that Wall Street and DC stole from you, buy Bitcoin till your hands bleed. It's unwhattable money. Touche. Also in today's episode, I shared that Chainlink just recently hit a new all-time high, and some analysts are predicting 150% parabolic move. Also in today's episode, I shared the latest charts predicting a $70,000 and $75,000 Bitcoin price in the weeks to come. But where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work and earn up to an 8.6% annual percentage yield on a BlockFi interest account. And if you get started today by using my link in the description right down below, you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. Click that link, it'll take you here. Simply click the yellow button that says sign up. You're going to notice the referral code is already pre-populated, so you can take advantage of this special offer. Also, I like to point out they're currently paying 6% annual percentage yield on your Bitcoin, as well as 9.3% on USDT. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this today, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.